Welcome to this week's AI Agent News segment on the A with A&A podcast by Magnitude Minds. I'm Alex, your host, and with me is Ada, our AI expert. Each week, we dive into the latest developments shaping the future of AI agents and autonomous systems. From breakthrough announcements to enterprise adoption stories, we'll break down what these developments mean for businesses and professionals navigating the AI landscape. Ada, what's the biggest news that caught your eye this week?
This week, OpenAI just announced AgentKit, a comprehensive toolkit designed to simplify the creation and deployment of AI agents. It's a significant step towards making these powerful tools more accessible.
AgentKit sounds like it's aimed at developers. What does a comprehensive toolkit actually mean for someone trying to build an agent?
It means they're streamlining complex orchestration. AgentKit includes an agent builder, which is currently in beta, a connector registry, and a generally available chat kit. Developers can visually design workflows and embed agentic user interfaces much faster.
So, it's about making the process of building and integrating agents less complicated. Did other major players also focus on making agents more practical and easier to use this week?
Absolutely. Google DeepMind unveiled two significant advancements. They introduced CodeMender, an AI agent capable of autonomously detecting, fixing, and securing software vulnerabilities.
An agent that fixes its own code? That's a huge step for software security. What was their other big announcement?
Google DeepMind also released the Gemini 2.5 computer use model. This specialized variant of Gemini 2.5 Pro empowers AI agents to directly interact with graphical user interfaces, performing actions like clicking and typing in web and mobile environments.
That's a game changer for automation, allowing agents to navigate digital spaces just like a person would. Did AWS also join this push for more accessible and production-ready agents?
Yes, Amazon Web Services introduced Amazon Quick Suite this week. It's an AI tool providing virtual agents to automate tasks, visualize data, and take actions across over 1,000 enterprise applications. It aims to bridge the gap between early AI concepts and real-world production deployments.
So, we're seeing a clear trend of major companies making AI agents easier to build, more secure, and capable of interacting with our digital world. This focus on production readiness seems to be driving a lot of enterprise interest.
That's right. Google debuted Gemini Enterprise this week, a comprehensive platform designed specifically to help businesses integrate AI agents into their workflows. It expands on their previous agent space, combining agent creation capabilities with the latest Gemini models and enhanced security.
It sounds like Google is really solidifying its push into the corporate AI market. What about Microsoft's approach to enterprise adoption?
Microsoft also made moves to streamline enterprise adoption. They announced a reimagined Microsoft Marketplace, now a single destination for AI apps, tools, and agents. This update includes a new AI apps and agents category, simplifying publishing for partners.
And I remember hearing about their open source agent framework recently. How does that fit into their enterprise strategy?
That framework, which was in preview, provides important context. It unifies capabilities from semantic kernel and autogen to simplify AI agent development for enterprises, making it easier for businesses to build custom solutions.
Beyond the major cloud providers, are we seeing these agents applied to specific business functions?
Definitely. Meta announced new AI features for advertisers this week, including AI agent integration to streamline sales pipelines and campaign management. These agents leverage existing business data for customer support and aid the shopper's journey.
That's a practical application for marketing and sales. Are there other specialized agents emerging for different industries?
Infor announced a new generation of its agentic AI capabilities. They're introducing role-based AI agents specialized for specific industry verticals, designed for out-of-box deployment with industry-specific knowledge.
So, as these agents become more integrated into business operations, what are the critical discussions around their security and reliability?
That's a crucial point. Anthropic, in collaboration with the UK's AI Security Institute, published research this week demonstrating a concerning vulnerability. As few as 250 poisoned documents can effectively insert a backdoor into large language models.
That challenges previous assumptions about how much data is needed to compromise a model. How are organizations addressing the security of agents themselves, especially as they interact with sensitive systems?
The OpenID Foundation released a new white paper tackling the critical challenge of securely authenticating and authorizing AI agents. They recommend a separation of concerns approach, leveraging existing single sign-on systems to provide centralized control over agent permissions.
So, even with these security concerns, is investor confidence in the AI agent market still strong?
It remains robust. German AI agent startup n8n, backed by NVIDIA's venture capital arm Ventures, announced it raised $180 million in a Series C funding round this week, valuing the company at $2.5 billion.
That's a substantial investment, underscoring strong belief in the potential of workflow automation driven by AI agents. What kind of tasks does n8n focus on?
n8n specializes in automating repetitive tasks by connecting third-party web applications or custom in-house tools. Their approach emphasizes flexibility across multiple AI model providers.
It seems like the ecosystem is expanding rapidly, pushing the boundaries of application. What are some of the more novel developments we're seeing?
In a bold move, Virtu launched AgentKit this week, marketing it as the world's first AI agent phone. This device aims to move beyond traditional app-centric smartphone interactions.
An AI agent phone? How does that change the mobile experience?
Users can articulate their intent once, and the AI agent orchestrates complex tasks across various services without needing to open multiple applications. It's a significant step towards a more agent-driven mobile experience.
That's a fascinating shift in how we might interact with our devices. What about the underlying technical advancements that make these sophisticated agents possible?
Hugging Face highlighted new research this week on equipping large language model agents with memory using reinforcement learning. This research, along with insights on fixing memory problems in conversational AI, enriches the technical understanding for building more sophisticated agents.
So, improving an agent's memory is key to more complex interactions. Are developers actively engaging with these new tools and research?
Absolutely. AWS announced an AI agent hackathon this week, offering significant prizes and access to experts. Similarly, Mistral AI was a key technology partner in the Internet of Agents hackathon, which brought together over 3,000 developers to build functioning AI agent applications.
It sounds like a collaborative effort to accelerate development and explore new applications. So, Ada, what's the key takeaway for businesses from this week's news on AI agents?
The main takeaway is that AI agents are rapidly becoming more practical and accessible for businesses. We're seeing major players focus on tools that simplify development, integrate agents into enterprise workflows, and even enhance security. While challenges like data poisoning exist, significant investment and community innovation show a clear path towards widespread, impactful adoption.
And that concludes this week's AI Agent News segment. The pace of innovation in AI agents continues to accelerate, and we'll be here every week to help you stay informed and ahead of the curve. For more insights on how these developments can benefit your business, visit us at magnitudeminds.com and keep an eye on our social channels for updates on our community initiatives. Got a question about AI agents or want to share your own AI implementation story? Reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next week with more AI agent news and insights.